Hi everyone, welcome to my knit and crochet nookery. My name is Linda and it is Christmas Eve, guys, and I'm a bit hot and flustered because it's I've just come back from our walk and I want to open my let me see if I can. I've got a parcel to open and it says on it I'm no peeking until Christmas Eve, which is the 24th, and it is from Beehive yarns here in the UK. So I've been been wanting to open this for ages, so I can open it now, guys. I can open it. So sorry that this video is a bit later on in the day, but I needed to go for my walk first before I open the box. And so let's get to it, shall we, guys? Let's see what we've got. I'm so excited. Beehive yarns is the owner is Beth, and she's in Yorkshire, which is quite not too far away from me. I would say at least 3 hours away from me. Yeah, and I met her when I went to Yarndale earlier in the year. Well, actually, I went for my birthday. I went to Yarndale, if I remember correctly. So I'm just trying to get in the box. Sorry for the waffling, and if there's any crinkling, I apologise. I know not everybody likes crinkle, but I do. Oh, look, and it's nicely wrapped with tissue, pink tissue paper, Ursula. Can you see? Pink, 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 pink. And it's the Sweet Treats Christmas Eve box, and from Beehive Yarns, and it says, "A happy Christmas to you. This year's treat box is inspired by festive sweet treats and hope it brings you a little bit of jolliness this holiday season. Olivia of This Handmade Life has designed us an exclusive festive sock pattern." Yay! To download a PDF copy, please go to, and it gives me the link. Simply add the design to your shopping cart. Proceed to checkout to receive your download. With the very best wishes to you and your loved ones at this Christmas, from Beth. So thank you, Beth. So that's that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So we plan tonight to sit and watch some Christmas movies. So I've got some chocolates. And I've got some oh no, these are not. What are these? Oh, these are, what are these? Needle stoppers. So I'll put these on my needles, guys. Stop me yarn from falling off. Yeah, me stitches, I mean, yay! Aren't they fabulous? And I've got some, I've got a stitch marker, which is a candy cane. I've actually got a candy cane. And I've got oh, chocolate double trick. Oh, it's a hot chocolate. I've got some laundry soap, and I've got something in here which says ho 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 ho. So let's open this, see what's in here. Let's see what it is. The sticky tab is really sticky. What have I got in here? Oh, I've got a Christmas tree ornament, candy cane. Oh, isn't that lovely? Oh, that is so sweet. I really like that. What I'll do, guys, I'll take a picture, and at the end of the video, before the end, I'll take a photo and just do a slide, and you can see everything that I picked that was in the box. Isn't that wonderful? And I've got, oh, I've got candy cane soy candle, veganbunny.co.uk. It's a, oh my god, that smells, oh, that is going to smell lovely. Oh yeah, You can definitely smell the candy, guys. Oh, it's absolutely, oh, it's delicious. It smells delicious. It smells good enough to eat. And of course, now the sock yarn. So, ho, 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 ho. Let's see what we've got. I'm dying to see what the yarn is. Oh, lovely. Oh, my Lord. Oh, look at that, guys. It's called Sweet Treats Audrey Classic Socks, 75% merino, 25% nylon, 425 meters, 100 grams, 465 yards. That's for the big skein. And the minis, there's 2 for 6 minis, and the mini skeins are 10 grams and 42 meters approximately. Hand wash, recommended dry flat. So I need, guys, now to wind this up, get this all wound up. I'll just make them into little balls, but this one I'll get my ball winder out and get them wound up, and I'll be starting my Christmas Eve socks tonight. Yay! Isn't that gorgeous yarn? Oh, I can't wait to see. I need to go on the website and get the pattern, download that. So, yay! Yay, guys. Oh, and it's really nice and soft. The minis are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Typical, hold on, my yarn's coming out. My hank's unravelling. Look at the colours. There's pinks and blue, turquoise and greens and reds. Oh, I cannot wait to make socks with these. So guys, these are going to be for me. Definitely going to be for me. I won't need to knit any Christmas socks next year because Rick's got 2 pairs and I've only got the 1 pair. So yeah, guys, I wonder how long it'll take me to knit this. And then on Boxing Day I start the hashtag Hyber Knit Along with Stephen West. So I'm going to be busy from today until the new year. Keeps me out of mischief. So, yeah, guys, so I am absolutely chuffed to bits. So, yeah, so I think this will be the thumbnail. What do you think? So thank you so much to Beth at Beehive Yarns. I absolutely adore everything that was in my Christmas Eve sock. Sweet treats. And yeah, so, and you can tell that the yarn does in fact have all the colours on the picture in the yarn. So thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed. To all my long-standing subscribers, I wish you all happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I know a few of my subscribers don't actually celebrate Christmas, but I still wish you all the very best for the holidays, guys. Thank you all so much for all your support this year. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. Until the next video, bye for now.